Welcome to Mechanic. Today, 2016 Mercedes Metris, and we're going to go over the process to be able to add engine coolant to this vehicle. You have your engine coolant reservoir and fill point right here. This is on the left side of the vehicle, your passenger driver's side, and right here in the middle of what would be the engine bay. So if you need a coolant added in here, we just need to remove this cap. Now, this cap you do not remove unless your engine is cool. If you remove it when it's hot, it can have hot steam or water, and you could burn yourself. So if it's low, whether the sensor comes on or you just notice that it's low, we can be able to add some engine coolant to it. Remove this cap and be able to add our coolant to that. This says it's a violet color, and so we're going to add it. There is a little indicator in there. It's a little tab that shows us how full to have that filled. So all right, so we've added the coolant up above the little tab there into that line, and being that our engine coolant is full, and now we can put the cap on and seal that system up. Now, generally, you shouldn't be having to add a whole lot of engine coolant. Sometimes you will if you did any other work where maybe you had to drain some out, or you do have a little bit that will evaporate off, but it is generally a closed system, and so you shouldn't be losing a lot of it. If you are losing a lot, then you're going to have to be looking where is it leaking. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.